friends, I'm Ritesh here from Wealthtech Speaks, and in this video I will be discussing about the professional tax, the key points related to professional tax. I have already created a blog post on the same where I have discussed about the professional tax rates, slabs, registration, enrollment. You can refer to that for in-depth details. In this video, I will be sharing everything in a nutshell for your benefit. So before we begin, I will request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get the latest notifications of the video which I post. And I keep sharing the videos on personal finance, HR and tech on my YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin with, what is professional tax? Professional tax is a state tax levied by the respective state government in accordance with the Article 276 of Constitution of India, which deals with the subject of professional tax. Professional tax is levied on the income level associated with the respective profession, trade or employment. Maximum professional tax which may be collected in a financial year is 2,500 Indian rupees. So what we come to know about professional tax in this slide is professional tax is a state tax which is levied by the state governments, and not all state government in India levy professional tax. Some of the state government do not levy income professional tax, and we will come to know about them as we move along. Professional tax is based on the income level which you fall in. Like for example, somebody who's in the lower income group will be paying less amount of professional tax as compared to somebody who is in the higher income group. And the maximum professional tax which is levied in any financial year is 2,500. Now, professional taxpayers may be divided into two categories: persons engaged in professions, trade, callings and employments. This includes Hindu undivided family, which is also known as HUF, firm, company, corporation or other corporate body, associations, clubs, etc. Second is employer. Employer in the sense one who disburses salary, wages to the employees. Professional tax, registration and enrollment. Professional tax is levied and collected by the Commercial Taxes Department of the respective state. Every person covered under the Professional Tax Act and liable to pay professional tax is required to obtain the enrollment certificate. Every employer liable to deduct professional tax from the salary, wages payable to their respective employees need to obtain certificate of registration. Enrollment and registration may be done online as well. So one needs to keep a check whether the online registration facility is available or not, and they can avail the same in the respective state. Professional tax applicability. Now, professional tax is not applicable in each and every state of India. Some of the states levy professional tax and some of them don't. So as you can see in this slide, I have shared the names of some of the states who levy professional tax and some who don't. Now this is not an exhaustive list. I have complete details and the link of the blog in the description. You can check it out. When I have not only shared the names of the states which levy professional tax, I have also shared the slab and the rates which is applicable in each and every state. So you can go through it. It will help you in understanding the professional tax rates which is applicable state-wise. In professional tax, there is penalty which is imposed for non-payment of professional tax as well. Penalty is imposed if enrollment and registration is not done within 90 days from the date it is applicable. Penalty is in form of fine or simple imprisonment along with fine. Now this may vary from state to state, but this is the general penalty which is imposed. Annual return must be filed at the end of the financial year within the due date to avoid penalty. So what happens over here is penalty is imposed if you have not enrolled or registered. Also, you have to make the timely payments of the professional tax. Failure to make the timely payments might result in penalty. So this is something which one should be aware of. Exemptions are also allowed under professional tax. Some of the classes of persons may be allowed some kind of exemptions from the professional tax, especially the armed forces, senior citizens, persons with disabilities are normally exempted from payment of professional tax, but this again varies from state to state. So with the commercial tax department or online, you can check what is applicable in the respective state. Now we come to payment of professional tax. For salaried employees, professional tax is deducted from the monthly salary or on semi-annual basis. Now this depends on the practice which is followed in that respective state. Some states prefer the deduction to happen on a monthly basis, and few of the states prefer the deduction to happen on a semi-annual basis. So if you can go through my blog, the link which I have shared in the description, you will come to know which of the states levy PT on a monthly basis and the states which charge it on a semi-annual basis. Now the PT deducted as per the existing slab and the rates followed in the respective state is deducted, and the same is deposited to the concerned department by the employer. Now when we come to the freelancers, traders and professionals who are working on their own, they have to pay the professional tax on their own. So that's it as far as professional tax is concerned. Thanks viewers for watching this video, and I will request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as my Wealthtech Speaks blog to get the latest update on personal finance, HR and tech. I will also request you to hit the bell icon on the YouTube channel if once you subscribe to get the later notification regarding any new video which I will be posting on my YouTube channel. So looking forward for your support, and it was great making this video. Thank you.